So hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I customize my VS Code to be like this. It's minimalistic and very functional. So we're just going to start by creating a new profile. If you don't know what's a profile, this is where you can customize the VS Code settings and then you save it in a profile. So as you can see, right now I'm running a project. But I can just go ahead and hide everything. So the first thing first, I'm going to create a new temporary file. So this is how it is. As you can see, there is a translucent effect in my VS Code. For that, if you come to the extension, right now I have no extensions, but if you go to glass BT, glass, yes. Give it this. If you install this, it's going to create this. You can see this is a VS extension transparent window for Linux and the Windows. So that's the first extension I usually prefer installing because it makes my VS Code looks more appealing. So the next thing, I can just go ahead and hide that. The second thing I like to do is just reducing the number of icons around here. So like this ones, I can just come here and remove those. And command center, can just remove those menu bar. So the next thing I usually prefer doing, so we have already removed this one, so you can just do that. The next thing I like to prefer doing is removing the menu bar. The next thing I like doing is becoming here and moving this from the left side to the right side, because I'm a right-handed guy and I like my icons to be in the right-hand side. So by doing that, you can just do a right click and then come to action bar. Right here, you can move to primary side, right? And then the next thing you can just do, let me see if you can hide that. Yes. The next thing is by making this to be hidden. So if it's hidden like that, my VS Code has now become very minimalistic. Yeah. So the other thing I like to do is press F1 and then just do theme, and then right here you can just choose the themes that I prefer. So, and the first selection there is browse additional color themes. You can just do that, and then it gives me an option. It's going to search for themes for you, and then you're going to try them. So you can just go ahead and experiment with it and choose the one which is better for you. Like this is somehow great, I guess. I'm going to go with that. It's going to tell you to install that package and then just press OK. And now it has already been installed. The next thing I like doing is learning some few shortcuts. So you can just go shortcuts. So it's important to learn using shortcuts because moving from your mouse back to your keyboard, it's a bit tiresome and it reduces your productivity. So I like using shortcuts. Like for example, if I just press F1 and just write shortcuts, open keyboard shortcuts. You can see there are a lot of shortcuts here, and the others you can add as you proceed. Like for example, I'm a web developer. I don't save. I'm a web developer. So if I come here, do Control N, and then Control S, which is to save that file, and then just do home.html. Let me just do random.html, and then just to create the boilerplate, it's exclamation mark and tab. It creates that, so you can just know many things you can play around with VS Code. So for example, let me just create a lot of divs. So that's div 1, div 2, another div, another div. So if you want to write a class inside the div, you can just do div and then dot, and then you write the class name. For example, if you're using Bootstrap, you can just do row.justify content center. You can see it has been automatically included in the class section. So it reaches a point where you need to wrap these divs. So for that, there is a function which I've used. You can just go to your command palette, and then there is abbreviation for wrap. So you can see the one which I'm using, it's Alt Z. So if I come here, and then for example we do Alt Q, Alt Z. If I want to wrap this, I can just do wrapper abbreviation. You can just do, let me wrap it inside a div. You can see it's simple, but to make it way functional, I can just come here to wrap with abbreviation, and then I can just add another key binding, for example, Q, and press enter. So when I just do Control S, if I want to wrap this, I just do that. I come here and do that. I can now wrap it inside, let's say div dash call dash sm dash 10. And by the way, I'm going to upload another video of using Bootstrap. You can see these are Bootstrap classes that I'm using. Bootstrap is a very good and effective way to create and design your website. I'm going to create it. I'm going to show you how to get started with it, and I'm going to lead you through the whole process. So yeah, this was a short video to show you how to just reduce the icons, some of the things you do not like. You can see if you can just go ahead and delete that now. Let me just Control W, don't save. You can see how it is simple and easy to use. And yeah, that was the video. Thank you.